Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of one of America's most unique railway experiences, the Pikes Peak Cog Railway. This railway is not just a means of transportation, it's a journey through history, engineering marvels, and breathtaking scenery. Stick around because we're also going to share some lesser-known facts about this incredible railway. Nestled in the Rocky Mountains, the Pikes Peak Cog Railway is the highest cog railway in the world, climbing to an astounding 14,115 feet above sea level. But there's so much more to this iconic railway than meets the eye. Let's uncover some of its hidden secrets. Fact number 1. Did you know that the Pikes Peak Cog Railway is one of only 2 cog railways in the United States? The other one is the Mount Washington Cog Railway in New Hampshire. Cog railways are unique because they use a gear system to climb steep grades that regular trains can't handle. Fact number 2. The railway's construction began in 1889 and was completed in just under 2 years. This feat was accomplished thanks to the vision of Zalman Simmons, the founder of the Simmons Beautyrest Mattress Company, who saw the potential for tourism and accessibility to Pikes Peak. Fact number 3. The cog mechanism, also known as a rack-and-pinion system, is what makes the steep climb possible. The train's cog wheels mesh with a toothed rack rail, providing the necessary traction to ascend the mountain slopes, some of which are as steep as 25%. Fact number 4. The summit of Pikes Peak offers some of the most breathtaking views in Colorado. On a clear day, you can see as far as Kansas. It's no wonder that Catherine Lee Bates was inspired to write the famous song, America the Beautiful, after visiting the peak in 1893. Fact number 5. The Pikes Peak Summit House has been serving visitors since the early 1900s, offering world-famous high-altitude donuts. These unique donuts are specially made to accommodate the lower air pressure at such high elevations. Trust me, they taste as amazing as the view. Fact number 6. Historic preservation efforts. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway is dedicated to preserving its historic elements. During the recent renovation, great care was taken to maintain the original character of the railway while incorporating modern improvements. Fact number 7. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway was temporarily closed in 2017 for a major renovation. This extensive project, which cost around $100 million, included new trains, tracks, and facilities, ensuring that future generations can continue to enjoy this historic journey. Fact number 8. The entire journey from Manitou Springs to the summit takes about 3 hours round trip. Along the way, you'll experience diverse ecosystems, from lush forests to alpine tundra, making it a must-do adventure for nature lovers and train enthusiasts alike. Fact number 9. Oldest operating cog railway in the world. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway is the oldest operating cog railway in the world. It first opened to the public in 1891, making it a pioneer in mountain railway travel. Fact number 10. It was electrified early on. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway was one of the first railways in the United States to be electrified. In 1938, it switched from steam to gasoline-powered locomotives and eventually to diesel-electric trains in the 1950s. Fact number 11. Record-breaking altitude gain. The railway covers a distance of 8.9 miles from Manitou Springs to the summit of Pikes Peak, with an impressive altitude gain of over 7,500 feet. This makes it one of the most dramatic elevation changes of any railway in North America. Fact number 12. Unique wildlife encounters. Passengers on the Pikes Peak Cog Railway often get the chance to see unique wildlife. The journey passes through different ecological zones, home to animals like bighorn sheep, marmots, and even the occasional black bear. Fact number 13. Inspiration for science fiction. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway has inspired more than just patriotic songs. It also played a role in early science fiction. In 1897, Garrett P. Serviss wrote Edison's Conquest of Mars, a novel that featured a battle between Earthlings and Martians atop Pikes Peak. Fact number 14. A popular spot for extreme sports. Pikes Peak is not only known for its railway but also for the famous Pikes Peak International Hill Climb, an annual automobile and motorcycle race to the summit. The railway itself has been a crucial part of the race's logistics, often assisting in transporting people and equipment. Fact number 15. The railway's snowplow. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway operates a unique snowplow to clear the tracks during heavy snowfall. This specialized equipment ensures that the railway can remain operational year-round, even in harsh winter conditions. Fact number 16. A president's visit. In 1911, President William Howard Taft rode the Pikes Peak Cog Railway to the summit. This visit highlighted the railway's importance as a tourist destination and its role in promoting the natural beauty of Colorado. Fact number 17. A symbol of resilience. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway has faced its share of challenges, from harsh weather conditions to economic downturns. However, it has always bounced back, symbolizing the resilience and determination of the American spirit. Fact number 18. Engineering feats. The engineering behind the Pikes Peak Cog Railway is nothing short of extraordinary. The track features a series of switchbacks and trestles, carefully designed to navigate the rugged terrain and steep gradients. Fact number 19. Historical designations. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway has been designated as a historic mechanical engineering landmark by the American Society of Mechanical Engineers, recognizing its significant contribution to engineering and transportation. Fact number 20. A royal connection. Queen Elizabeth II has a connection to the Pikes Peak Cog Railway. In 1954, her cousin, the Duke of Edinburgh, rode the railway during a visit to Colorado, adding a touch of royal prestige to its history. Fact number 21. First woman to climb Pikes Peak. Clara Brown, an African-American pioneer and former slave, became one of the first women to climb Pikes Peak. She achieved this remarkable feat in the 1870s, long before the railway was built, demonstrating incredible determination and resilience. Fact number 22. Original train names. The original steam locomotives used on the Pikes Peak Cog Railway were given unique names such as Pikes Peak and Manitou. These names were chosen to reflect the local heritage and the majestic beauty of the region. Fact number 23. Environmental impact. The railway has taken significant steps to minimize its environmental impact. During the recent renovation, they introduced new, eco-friendly diesel-electric hybrid locomotives that reduce emissions and noise pollution, helping to preserve the pristine mountain environment. Fact number 24. Famous passengers. The railway has hosted numerous famous passengers over the years, including Buffalo Bill Cody and Nikola Tesla. Their visits helped to popularize the railway and brought attention to its engineering marvels. Fact number 25. Unique track features. The railway features a unique switchback section known as Hell Gate. This section of the track is named for its steep grade and sharp curves, offering passengers an exhilarating experience and a reminder of the engineering challenges overcome during construction. Fact number 26. Railroad's role in communication. Before modern communication technologies, the Pikes Peak Cog Railway played a crucial role in maintaining weather stations at the summit. The railway transported supplies and personnel to the peak, enabling accurate weather monitoring and data collection. Fact number 27. Natural disasters. The railway has faced several natural disasters over the years, including avalanches and landslides. Despite these challenges, the dedicated maintenance teams have always managed to restore service, showcasing their commitment and expertise. Fact number 28. Annual snow removal. Each spring, the railway conducts an annual snow removal operation to clear the tracks for the summer season. This process can take several weeks and involves specialized equipment to tackle the deep snowdrifts that accumulate over the winter. Fact number 29. Photography spots. The railway offers some of the best photography spots in Colorado. One such spot is Windy Point, a scenic overlook that provides stunning panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys, perfect for capturing the beauty of Pikes Peak. Fact number 30. Railway's mascot. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway has an unofficial mascot, a friendly marmot named Rocky. Rocky is often seen by passengers as the train ascends the mountain, adding a touch of charm and local wildlife to the journey. Fact number 31. Historic dining car. In its early years, the railway featured a historic dining car where passengers could enjoy gourmet meals while taking in the views. Although the dining car is no longer in operation, it remains a nostalgic part of the railway's rich history. Fact number 32. Rare plant species. The journey to the summit of Pikes Peak offers a chance to see rare alpine plant species that are not found at lower elevations. These plants have adapted to the harsh conditions and add to the unique biodiversity of the region. Fact number 33. Celebrations and events. The Pikes Peak Cog Railway hosts special events and celebrations throughout the year, including themed rides and holiday excursions. These events provide a unique way for visitors to experience the railway and create lasting memories. Fact number 34. High-altitude effects. At the summit, the high altitude can have noticeable effects on passengers, such as shortness of breath and dizziness. The railway staff is well trained to assist passengers and ensure a safe and enjoyable experience at such high elevations. So, there you have it, some fascinating facts about the Pikes Peak Cog Railway. Whether you're a history buff, an engineering geek, or just someone who loves a good adventure, this railway has something for everyone. Be sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content, and leave a comment below if you've ever taken a ride on the Pikes Peak Cog Railway. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.